everyone, welcome back to Earth and Space. Today we are going to continue to learn more about stars. Before I get into today's lesson, I need you guys all to have paper and pencil ready because today we are taking notes. So I'll give you guys all a second. If you guys need more time, pause the video so you guys can go ahead and grab those supplies to begin today's assignment. So the first star we're going to be talking about is our Brightest Star. This star is just a way of saying that there's two stars that are around each other, so they're in circle like this. There are three ways for you guys to be able to notice these stars. The first one is with our eyes, so we get to see them, and then we have two new ways. So I'll let you guys go ahead and write everything you guys see right there on the screen in your piece of paper. If you guys do need more time, please pause the video. Let's move on to the second one. Here we're going to be talking about the brightest stars in the night. There are all of these stars. All of these stars are part of a constellation that later on we're going to be talking about. But I want to introduce to you all the stars. So the first three stars that I'm going to introduce to you guys is our star Vega. This is the brightest star in the northern constellation of Laura. And then we have our second star, which this star is our blue superstar. And this is the brightest star in the constellation of Hunter. And then our third star that you guys see right there, this is the 10th brightest star in the night sky. And it's right after our second star. And it also is in the constellation of Hunter. So I hope you guys all write that down in your notes. I'll give you guys all a few seconds to write that down. In the meantime, you guys can observe those three pictures right there that I left for you guys. Moving on to our next three stars. So our first star is the brightest star. It is actually the fourth brightest star in the night sky. Then we have Sirius. And this star is another bright star, and this one comes from the Greek word. So it's like saying glowy. Glowy. And then we have our third star right here. This one is the brightest star in the southern constellation of Hera, and the second brightest star in the night sky. So you guys can take a look at the pictures right there as well. I'll give you guys all a second to write that down in your notes. Like I said, if you guys need to pause that at any moment, please pause the video so you guys can write everything down in your notes. Now, let's move on to our final three stars that we're going to be introducing. We have our brightest star, and it's in the constellation of Canis Minor, and usually the 8th brightest star in the sky. Then we have a new star that I want to introduce to you guys. This is the 5th brightest star. This star is actually in the constellation of Scorpius. And then we have our Capella Star. This is the brightest star in the constellation of Auriga. So if you guys take a look, there's three new pictures of those three different stars right there below. I'll give you guys all a minute or 10 seconds to write those down. Like I said, if you guys do need to pause the video at any time, please pause it. Now let's move into your assignment, everyone. For today's assignment, all you guys have to do is send me a picture of the notes that we just took right now to my email address. And that is today's work. If you guys do need anything from me, you guys know where to go. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys all very, very soon. Bye, everyone.